Job of the day, we're doing a bearing service on this RV. New bearings, new seals, new grease, and then we're gonna check brakes. Let's get it up in the air. I have electric brakes on. Brakes are locked up. Brakes are locked up. Perfect. Brakes look to be in great condition. Our customer took a look at everything. He likes it. So we're gonna do bearings and get everything back together. Hubs are clean, new bearings and new seals are on. I'm gonna put them on and then grease. Hubs are all ready to go on. Take out the outer bearing so it doesn't fall on me. Good, hubs are on. Front hub is packed, retainer is on. Rear hub is packed, retainer is on. Dust cap is on. Dust cap is on. Let's get these tires and wheels on. Driver's side is done. Working on passenger side. I got it up in the air. Everything is free spinning. I'll check brakes after I get these tires off. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes work. Brakes look great. Magnets look great. Magnets look great. Brakes look great. Perfect. Let's get these spindles cleaned up. All backing plates are good. I'm grabbing the hub and drums and repacking everything. Looks like we had one seal below on the rear. So let's change it out. All hub and drums look great though. Hubs are clean. New bearings are inside. Front is going on. Tight and free spinning. Rear hub is packed with new grease. Dust cap is on. Front hub is packed with new grease. Dust cap is on. Tires and wheels are back on. Torquing all lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's check lights. Tail markers are on. Good. LEDs on the top are good. Passenger side are on. On. Rear LEDs are on. Those are on. All the way down driver's side is on. Perfect. Let's do brake lights. If brake lights work, left turn, right turn works. Brake lights are on. Brake lights are on. Perfect. All lights work. New bearings, new seals, new grease. All brakes were in great condition. Did not need to do anything to the brakes. All brakes were adjusted perfectly fine. Did not need to adjust. All tires look good. All lug nuts are torqued. This job's done and I'm on to the next.